big.
Oh yeah, base.
Right?
Yep.
Because if you want to counter me again, Max, I want to counter you.
Yeah.
Right? See how I open my base up every time. Right. Yeah. There we go. Hey, nice. Good finish. Okay. Yeah. Wide, quick.
Championship belongs to the Los Angeles Lakers.
Oh my God.
Love. What's up, everybody? It's Phil Handy, 3-time world champ. I want to welcome you guys to my YouTube page. Get that work in.
I'll come out here. Feel handy, be like. Here we go. Now pause. You see what I'm doing? Wide base. Here we go. Come in here. I'm again right there. And go. Got it? Come on.
Hey, bro. Okay, tight spaces. So we'll work on a clean change. Okay. Cross. Max, all I want you to do is just drag it out. Cross. Okay, so what do I mean? Cross. Finish. See how I finish? If you need to take a dribble, you can take a dribble, but I want to glide all the way through. Okay, so just glide to the next. Cross. Finish. All right, here we go. Stay down. Good. See how high you coming? Yeah. Good. Yeah, there you go, Steph. Good. Finish. So watch. As I glide, I'm not what?
Yeah.
All right. Stay right here. See how I can what? I'm on base, right? Keeping that wide base. Stay low. Same thing. Stay down. Shift. Low. Quick. Better. Yes. Much better. There you go. Go, Steph. Wide. Do it again. Watch. So even for you, Steph, it might be a long stretch, right? But all I want you to do is glide. Okay? Glide. Yeah. Here we go. Wide. Yeah. There you go. Finish. Good. One more, Max. Yeah, that's good. See how much quicker you got? Glide through. Come on, Steph. Yep. Good. Nice. Put 2 hands on it. You don't have to finish for one. Opposite, Max. I don't know about them Adidas, bro. Them Adidas shoelace is kind of faulty.
Who you with? Tell us.
You know it's on my feet, dog. Hey, you know. I got it. Head up, chest up. Finish. Here we go. Come on, Steph.
Hey.
Good. Nice. Yep. There you go. Good left. Come on, Max. Same thing. Yeah. Good. Finish. Watch that. Take that dribble. Good, Steph. Yep. Good left. One more, Max. Hey, now we got it. Oh yeah. Come on, trickery. Come on. Good. Finish. Nice, Steph. Come on, Max. You owe me one. Yep. Nice. Finish. So sometimes I want you to take that extra dribble up there and you don't travel. Right? So you don't travel. I want to go in between the legs first. Okay, these are going to be short dribbles. But I want to attack the outside. So what do I mean? One, pop. Finish. Right? Without slipping. So I'm going to go in between, good base. Okay, in between, plant. Stretch. Good. You see how I step through, reverse it. I always talk about when I'm attacking defenders, attack the outside, same thing. Except so I want you to take the one dribble. So when I go in between, one, outside, one. See how I attack the outside and get to a wide base. Right? Good. Yep, good. Finish. There you go. So what we got? Step through to the reverse, right? Oh, my God. That's all right. We'll get it. Come on, Max. All right, quick. Yep. Good. Nice. There you go. Finish. Good. There you go, Steph. Good. Down. Quick. Come on. Step. Hey. Okay. Yeah, I like it. Come on, Max. Good. Nice. Finish. Nice. What? Good. Too much, right?
Yeah, I got
Come
you.
on, step. Yep. Step. There you go. There you go. Not bad. So where should you go, right? Step through here. Right. When I step through, I should be able to go from here. Right. Going this way or that way. The other side. Yeah, just stepping through. Right. Quick step through. Come on, Max. Good. Hey, yep. And good. Nice. Finish. There we go. Come on. Hey, good. Yep. Like the chains. Good. Come on, Steph. Yep. Good. Nice. Plant. Yep. There you go. There we go. Now watch. Okay, so you don't have to go from here. I don't have to go where? I don't have to go so far. Now you see how my line is?
Straight.
I don't have to go all the way out. Okay, because that's what? This is a long step to get to the other side. Hey, one more, Steph, one more. Yep, down the line. There we go, much easier. See that line? A little easier. Teach everybody, man. Yeah, step. Which way you going, right? Step through, other side. Good, come on, Steph. Down the line, step through. There you go, finish. Get up. Now we gotta finish, come on.
Hey, right hand finish.
Good, wide base. Yep, good. Ha. Do it again. Keep that chest up. Good, let's go. Yep, good. Back through. Yes, sir. There we go. Come on, Steph. Good.
It's all about the finish. It's all about the finish, baby.
Step through is good. All right.
I never done one of these.
All right, no, that's good. So you're coming down with your left hand. Go ahead. Nope, don't even change. You step right through me. You see that? Right? You see how you step right through me?
Yeah.
Huh? Might feel weird. Alright, good angle. Yep. Come on. No trickery. There you go. Good. Come on, Steph. Last one. Good. Yep. Good. Tight. Hey. You gotta finish. So how do we just like play with stuff? So you get the foundation right, then you can build it.
Yeah.
I seen you down at J Law's gym doing all the hey,
Come on,
off
Phil.
the one foot, off the back foot.
Come on, Phil.
All right, but to get to that part,
Yeah.
all right, just understanding what you're doing. Right, in between cross. Right? So again, I'm not leaning forward. Balance is good, Max. 1, 2. Okay. See how I do that? So single, double, single. So I'll walk through it slow again, right? 1, 2, cross, cross.
You ain't got no jelly. Come to my camp. He said fuck with me. Thanks. Right.
Good. 1, pop. Yes, good. Yes. Finish. There we go. Go finish. Right here. Right. So when I go cross here, stop. In between cross. See that? What you do right here? Small thing. Well, just what? Narrow.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is where it's big.
Oh
See,
yeah, base.
Right?
Yup.
Because if you want to counter me again, Max, I want to counter you.
Yeah.
Right? See how I open my base up every time. Okay, here we go. Yeah. There we go. Hey, nice. Good finish. Okay, way to ask the sauce. There you go. Quick, yep. Nice, good. Come on, now we got to finish. Good job. Opposite, Max. See the wide base, right? Yeah, good. Yeah, good. Making all them jokes. Yeah, I love it. Come on, Steph. Yeah, good. Yeah, good. Double, right? Good job. Try to keep your head up. Good, Steph. Good. Wide. 1, 2, cross. There you go. Stay with it. Cross. All right, do it again. It's all right. So, what does this represent? Just for you. That's so you understand. Don't matter. play basketball now, right? I use the cones to represent defenders' footwork, right? So you have to operate what? Behind it. So behind it, right? Everything I do is behind it. Saying, okay? Everything I do is behind it when you break down, all right? Here we go. Oh, his hand. Keeping that left, right? That's it. Good, good. Cross back, good. Right, there we go. Finish, that's all right. Same difference, right? You kept your counter, same difference. Just let it build up. Come on, Mac. Hey, stay with it now. Look. Nah, but look. Here's what I want you to get to.
Yeah.
Now your instincts kicked in.
I gotta slow down.
No, that's okay. But look, Max, the ball handling and the training stuff is for once you get in the situation, you don't have to think about it. You
just
can
do
go. Yeah, right. So what you did, I could already see it. You came with the cross.
My bad.
Okay. You came with the cross, and I already saw this.
Right, I was ready to get to him.
See, come on, bro.
Hey, Phil.
See?
If you standing right there, you'd have been on your ass. I'm letting you know right now.
Come on. But you see what I'm saying, though, right? Get the base right, and then you can create whatever you want. Okay? Come on. Nice. Okay, way to slow him down. That's an old school Euro step. Nice step, yeah. There you go. Finish. Good job. Oh, Smokey. Come on, Smokey. So watch. Let me help you with your finish. Right? Everything is good. I don't mind if you pro hop, but watch my pro hop. Where am I? Right? So now I'm trying to finish my layup where? Right? Just a little bit earlier. Right? So you keep your control to where you're not falling out of bounds under the basket. Right? Come on, one more. One more. On you. Come on, you too.
Okay.
Come on, head up. There you go. I want you to see me. Perfect. Perfect. Good, Matt. Good. Yes, sir. Yep. Good. Nice. There you go. Hey. Okay. Now watch. A couple things. Hey, look. It's always teaching. Where am I finishing? See where I am? Yeah. Okay. Less control versus what? Okay. Forward to the rim. Okay. Sometimes I can't be so far out here. All right. Sometimes my control is where? To the rim. Yeah. One more. All right. Good. Nice step. Yep. Good. Good. Finish. Hey, this is what we won. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Here we go.
Let's go. Can't live without him.
Good, nice. Good stuff. Yep. Stay with it. Good job.
Good stuff.
Okay, so last piece. Triple. All right. Yeah. So we go triple. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm not going to take a dribble in between, Max. If I can, okay. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to glide. Okay. It's a long glide, but I'm going to glide. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Last one, in between cross. Okay. Finish at the rim. See that? You see it again? Yep. So we start with a right. Bam, just go 3 and just glide forward. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Pop. I got some English for you. Dog. Come on. That's back in probably like 2000. 70, 71. Oh, whoa. He said send me the film. Hey, tell you the truth, I keep my stuff in archives. And no Google. I'll send you some though. I'm gonna send you some.
Alright. Start all right.
Yeah, good. Lay down. Yep. Here comes. Yeah, good. Finish. There you go. So you come to the last piece on your glide. Good, Steph. That's all right. Stay with it. Yep. There you go. That's all right. Take the drill. That's fine. Cross. Finish.
Yeah, Steph.
Not bad, Steph. So last piece I want you to get, Steph, right? Everything is good. So when we control our cross, should what?
In front.
Okay, my cross.
Yeah.
Okay, right behind it.
Okay.
All right, if you have to take the dribble, take it. In between, right? He can glide. You might have to take one, which is okay. Opposite. Base. Stay low, Max. When you glide, don't glide where? So try to stay low. We go. Wide base. Good. Yeah. Yep. Good. All right. Quick. Yep. Good.